Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Cici, and welcome to Natural Transplants, Cici. What made you decide to come to Natural Transplants?
Well, as you can see, I need some edges, so I'm here.
And Cici is a little bit nervous, but we're gonna go ahead and have her relax. We're gonna show you before pictures, and we're gonna start drawing out the new hairline. And then we'll take some pictures and get you into the procedure room so we can get you some edges. And today will be an edge-iversary for you.
July 1st.
There you go. Well, welcome to Natural Transplants, and we're going to follow you throughout the day.
Thanks, Doc.
All right, you're welcome. Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel. Here I am with Cici, and we just completed the procedure. How was your day, Cici?
I'm extremely happy. I am quite content with the way how my entire procedure went, and which I already knew. That's why I came. I've done extensive research, which led me here, and my day was perfect. The texts were perfect. Dr. Siegel was perfect. Everybody was, I'm so grateful. And I know that in a year I'm coming back, and it's not going to be business, it's going to be pleasure, but I'm going to come to visit Dr. Siegel to show everybody on YouTube how my results came out, because I know I'm going to be happy, so that's why I'm going to come back to show you guys.
Well, thank you, and look forward to you visiting on your vacation in a year from now, where you can run into the ocean.
Exactly.
And enjoy South Florida for what it is, a beautiful place. And it's been an absolute pleasure, and really excited to see your results. It was a hard day, but it was a fun day and a good day.
Yes.
Good music that we listened to.
Yes.
Well,
very entertaining. They
see-
treated me well. The hospitality was perfect.
Well, thank you so much, Cici. I'm just gonna come in and let them take a look at what we did. I'm really getting really far back with you. And Cici, thank you so much for trusting us here at Natural Transplants, and we look forward to seeing you in a year.
Get your money, come do it. You'll never regret it. Just get it done. Get her done.
Thank you. Happy Edge-iversary.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.